open up and see what we got. I have some Duller and Too Soft. Now for the paints. I got silver, brown, light gray, yellow, gold, flat white, flat black, green, purple, orange, blue, and the best red. So, what I need to get next is some neon colors. But with all that being said, y'all already know what I'm about to customize. Shoes. But I will also be customizing this bag for a start anyways. Since it is leather paint, why not try on other leather items? But for the shoes, I will be starting with mini shoes. Well, my son's shoes. On some Adidas and some Nikes. So we'll see how that turns out. So stay tuned for my next video.
Follow me on Instagram at I am Desiree Lene.